Court calls the case People versus Hubert Price.
Public Defender Chelsea reveals with and on behalf of Hubert Price, who should appear via Zoom.
We don't have them.
I apologize. When I talked to him yesterday, he told me that he was fully versed on how to use Zoom. Would you mind passing it so I can call him?
Is it him? What's your name?
Hubert Price.
Your Honor, we are asking to adjourn this case for media discovery.
Discovery issue, January 29th, 2026, 9 a.m. I need a green sheet. Bound continue.
Thank you.
Court does call the
Happy
case. Pardon?
I said thank you and happy holidays.
And to you, sir. Thank you. Court does call the case the People versus Joanna Reed.
Assistant Public Defender Jay Bellinger, on behalf of Ms. Reed, who is on Zoom, Your Honor. There she is.
No, Ms. Reed. This is a competency.
That's correct, Your Honor. I did submit a finding in order to the court. The defense has no other, we would stipulate to the findings. We have no other evidence to present.
Also, so stipulate no further evidence.
All right, based upon a review of that report, court would find that the defendant is competent to stand trial. Further indicate that the defendant can understand the nature and the objects of the proceedings against her and can rationally assist in her defense. Therefore, the defendant is deemed competent, and I have signed that order.
Thank you, Your Honor. As to the PCC for this matter, Your Honor, we are asking for a new date. It looks like we're going to be able to reach resolution on this, so.
So January 29th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Court calls the case People versus Connor Rice.
And Alex Warren Green on behalf of Mr. Rice.
Your name?
Connor Rice. Your Honor, we're asking for a preliminary examination.
Discovery is complete.
I believe so, Your Honor.
People be ready. Will people have their witnesses available the 13th? Preliminary examination in person, January 13th, 2026, 9 a.m. before me. Bond will continue. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case of the People versus Montres Root.
And Alex Warren Green on behalf of Mr. Root.
Where's his pants?
I got in from Phoenix, so I don't have them. I live in Phoenix, so I don't have them in my car.
Sorry.
It's all right. My bad, sure.
Did you fly?
Yeah, I flew in and then got here on right before Christmas, and then
Didn't the people on the airplane tell you what the temperature here was? Even before you left Phoenix?
Well, I didn't. I came to I turned myself in when I got here because of the Warrant situation. So I was just trying to get here and get it over with.
Oh,
He'll have a pair of pants at the next court date.
no, you know what? If you do that and you're out there in that weather and that, have at it.
No, that was one of the things I was gonna ask today. If
What, for pants?
No, if if it was a possibility, if I could go back to just get some of my clothes for my next court date, so I'm not looking crazy. If you would allow me to.
Go back where?
Phoenix, that's where I reside. That's where I live.
Oh. Do you have long pants?
Yeah, I got a lot.
Oh, okay, I didn't know.
Your Honor, with respect to
He knows you can buy them here too. Never mind.
I'll point him in the right
direction. I'm not my business. Back to Amazon and bring them to you.
To Your Honor.
Never mind. Again, not my business. What do you want to do?
With respect to the probable cause conference, I would ask for an adjournment so that we can complete discovery. And I understand that my client is potentially going to be retaining a private attorney. Mr. Vincent, I did this morning already. I just have to stop by his office before I head to where I'm going. But I already did.
Does he know you're in shorts?
Yeah, we spoke out.
Oh.
We spoke in the hallway when
What
we
did he
talked.
say?
He was ready for me. He said he was gonna try for me to get back so I can get.
No, what did he say about the shorts?
Oh, he didn't say nothing.
He
was-
did?
Okay, yeah, he didn't care. He was just happy that I was paying him.
Yes. Yeah, that's pretty much Michael for you. So you are retaining Mr. Vick?
Yes, sir.
So I'll grant the adjournment, and that may be why Amanda's hanging around. What did we set as other things, Jim?
I believe the 29th.
29th. Okay, can you get to Phoenix and get back?
Yes, I can. I will. I'll have a nice suit on when I come back.
Oh, it's okay. I don't care. I'm just. That's all you brought?
Well, I got picked up in Phoenix, and instantly when I got to Phoenix, I had to wait in the county jail there because I didn't have a bond until I got here. So I had to wait there, and this is what I was driving, having a good time in shorts and hoodie. I didn't think I was going to jail.
No, I'm saying this out of genuine concern because he could walk out of here, his legs fall off.
Right. No, I have plenty of clothes back home.
Probable cause conference, January 29, 2026, 9 a.m. I will continue.
What I was. Thank you, Your Honor.
Tell Vincent by the man's pants. All right. Jeez. Clerk calls the case, People versus Thomas Chiron. Or Sharon.
Public Defender Chelsea Virgil is on behalf of Thomas Sharon, who I have not been able to get in contact with.
Thomas Sharon. Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear, bond set in the amount of 10,000, cash surety. That warrant will issue immediately. Court calls the case, People versus Ashley Shepard.
Stephanie Cannon on behalf of Ms. Shepard, who should be appearing by Zoom.
Shepard,
Good
can you
morning.
state your name?
Ashley Shepard.
We have reached an agreement in this case. It has not been reduced to writing yet, so I think we're just looking for a short adjournment to get that done.
Your Honor, that is correct.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned January 15th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you so much.
Your Honor.
Ms. Shepard, I will call you.
Thank you.
Court calls the case of the People versus Jordan Smith.
Assistant Public Defender Jay Bellinger on behalf of Mr. Smith, who appears via Zoom, Your Honor. Mr. Smith, can you please state your name?
Jordan Smith.
And Your Honor, we are just asking, we have reached a resolution in this case that's contingent upon entry in the Mental Health Recovery Court. So I'm just asking for some time to get the application done. I will have that to the court by the end of the day. However, it may take some time, obviously, for the.
Right, on the other part of it, January 29th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Court calls the case of People versus Joseph Smith.
People,
Ashley Bashir on behalf of Joseph Smith, on both, the matter ending 1343 and 1915.
Joseph King Smith.
And Your Honor, this matter was previously adjourned to review discovery with Mr. Smith. We're requesting an adjournment for, further negotiations or for negotiations on the matter, to, 3 weeks if possible.
Pardon?
3 weeks for both matters if possible.
Probable cause conference, January 29th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
thank you. Your Honor.
Okay, so the People versus Taj Smith.
Assistant prosecutor.
Ashley Bashir on behalf of Taj Smith, who appears on Zoom.
State your name, please.
Taj Smith.
In your honor, it appears that there may be a conflict with our office in this case. The court would not have received documentation. It was very recently identified. We're requesting a 2-week adjournment just for new counsel.
Probable cause, January 8th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, your honor.
Thank you.
Thank you. Calls case of People versus Kimberly Stampley.
Feltus with people.
Yes, this is Howard Brendan Buckovich from Ms. Stampley, who is appearing via Zoom.
Hi, good morning, Kimberly Stampley.
All right. And are we doing the plea form?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
So defendant is going to be pleading to 4 charges.
Yes, Your Honor.
Count 2 of operating with a high BAC, 180-day offense. Count 3 of operating without security, a 1-year offense. Count 4, fingerprint refusal, a 90-day offense. And count 5, attempted resisting and obstructing a police officer, 1-year offense. Upon our successful plea to counts 2, 3, 4, and 5, count 1 would be dismissed. That is the court's full understanding of the agreement.
That's correct, Your Honor. I understand this will be no contest, please.
Yes, no contest, please. Is that a correct statement?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right. Ma'am, can you please raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes,
State your name for the record.
Kimberly Stampley.
All right. Ma'am, it is this court's understanding that you are going to be pleading guilty to 4 misdemeanor charges. The first being count 2 of operating with a high BAC. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 180 days incarceration, a $200 to $700 fine plus court cost. The court could order community service and any rehabilitative services the court deems necessary. The court could order your vehicle immobilized or forfeited, could order you to pay the cost of the prosecution as well as the cost of any emergency governmental services. You understand all of that, ma'am?
Yes,
All right. Count 3 is operating without security. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration, 200 and a fine not less than 200 nor more than $500 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
yes,
Also, that you'll be pleading to count 4, fingerprint refusal. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 90 days incarceration, a $500 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
yes,
And also an added count 5 of attempted resisting and obstructing a police officer. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration, a $1,000 fine plus court costs. You understand all of that?
yes,
Do you understand what a no contest plea is?
yes,
2 things about it I have to make sure that you understand. The first thing is that it means that you're not further desirous or wanting to contest these 4 charges. You understand that?
yes,
The second thing you need to understand is that for purposes of sentencing, the court is going to treat you the same as though you had pled guilty. You understand that?
yes,
Basis for the no contest plea.
Back of correction, Your Honor.
All right. Do you still wish to plead no contest, ma'am?
yes.
To the charge of operating with a high BAC, how do you plead?
No, no contest.
To the charge of operating without security, how do you plead?
No, no contest.
To the charge of fingerprint refusal, how do you plead?
No contest.
To the charge of attempted resisting and obstructing a police officer, how do you plead?
No contest.
And you understand that by pleading no contest, you will not have a trial of any kind.
Yes,
You went over an advice of rights with your attorney and gave them permission to sign on your behalf.
yes.
Do you have any questions regarding any of the rights on that form?
No, I just want to say that I submitted the fingerprints. So,
Okay. Do you have any questions regarding any of the rights that are on the form?
no,
You understand that by pleading no contest, you're waiving or giving up those rights, particularly your rights contained under paragraph 5, your trial rights.
yes,
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
yes,
Are you on probation or parole?
No,
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plea?
no,
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
no,
You're doing this voluntarily
yes,
of your own free will.
yes,
All right. Court has been provided and has reviewed Pittsfield Township Department of Public Safety report for their case number 24-11379. Any objection to the court having reviewed that report?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
Based upon a review of that report, the court does find that there's a sufficient factual basis in which the court could determine the defendant's guilt of these four charges. Ma'am,
yes,
if between the time that I accept your plea and the time of sentencing, if you commit misconduct as defined in the Michigan court rules, you would first of all not be entitled to withdraw your plea, and secondly, the court would not be bound by any sentence evaluation or recommendation. You understand that?
yes,
Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
No, Your Honor.
And has the court complied with the court rule? Would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
What's satisfied?
The defense is satisfied, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of no contest to counts 2, 3, 4, and 5. Count 1 is dismissed. A pre-sentence investigation and screening assessment is ordered at 14A1. Sentencing will be February 11th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond in this matter with its conditions will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, ma'am. Court calls the case, People versus Sergio Staples.